Very good afternoon to us today. I want to quickly bring this short update our way. Today is Sunday already, and the week is having about 9 hours left before the week will be closing. 9 hours left for this week. Sorry, 9 hours left for today candle to close. I'll get to the weekly chart. When I get to the weekly chart, we'll see the exact time that is remaining for the week to close. Now, where I want to start from now, I want to start from the chart itself. If you look at this chart, is very tricky. Now, I was able to make out these lower highs that the chart is forming. The chart is forming lower highs. Now, if you look at this um, upward sloping yellow trend line that I just drew now, this upward sloping ascending trend line that I drew now, the yellow line, ascending yellow line, that's the trend line, serving as a support, you know, and if you take note, it is forming higher lows right now. And if you look at the current price action where we are now, the red candle of today now, where we are right now, you will notice that it is right on top of this support 19,900 just now. We bounced off from that 19,500 the other day. If you remember, I made a post in our trading group. I said if I am to enter a trade right now, I will enter this trade with a small portion of my portfolio. I will not use a stop loss. Then it was around 19,600 before it ran up to 20,000 plus today. There, I would have taken my profit already. Now, if you take note what is happening now, you will notice that there's an ascending triangle here. There is an ascending triangle here, and ascending triangle, you know, um, uh, this ascending triangle usually break to the upside. What is going on right now? Because we are seeing higher lows right now. You know, so I am expecting between now and Monday, where we must see a breakout either to the downside or to the upside. We must see a breakout either to the downside or to the upside. If you look at to the upside, we have that 20,160 trend line, as the support, as the resistance. And then the downside here, we have this, resistance, sloping, ascending a yellow trend line, And then if you look at the price of Bitcoin right now, it's squeezed inside at the edge now. It's squeezed inside this edge. So there must be a breakout to one way or the other. I said 48 hours as of yesterday. So right now I'm expecting that in the next 24 hours there should be a breakout. Look at volume. Volume has been reducing. Let us do analysis with the volume to give us a better understanding. Now look at volume has been reducing. So far we have 9 hours left for today to come to a close. And look at where the volume is right now. If volume comes in at all today, sell volume. If the sell volume comes in at all today, then we are going to see, sorry, we're going to see the price of Bitcoin break to the downside if sell volume comes in. But again, 19,500 is a very strong support. 19,500 is a very strong support. Are we going to close below 19,500 today? Unless Bitcoin close below 19,500 today, then only are we going to say that Bitcoin is going to break to the downside in the new week to that price of 18,500. But if this week Bitcoin closes above this 19,500, then it will be very difficult for Bitcoin to break below in this week that we are going into. Because if you look at, supply has been reducing for the past 1 week. Supply has been reducing since we saw this massive fall after the news that came from the Fed, about the CPI figures. We have been seeing the volume of sellers reducing, And what this means is that when sellers volume are reducing, it means that there's exhaustion in selling. There's exhaustion in selling, and so therefore, any little demand that comes in, which will push the price to the upside. All right, is enough. I'm going to expand sheet on this in our trading class today, by around 8:30 in the evening. Now, if you look at MACD, you see MACD is at the crossroad. MACD is neutral right now. The MACD is having a light green bar, small one, and it has been reducing. Normally, this supposed to have flipped to red below, but for the whole of the week, that didn't happen. And then, if you look at the RSI, even though we are on a daily time frame, you know, if you look at the RSI is attempting to form a bullish divergence. If the RSI goes back from where it is right now, that is going to be a sweet, clean, bullish divergence. It's all right. Again, I will expatiate on this in our trading class today. Now, this is what I have to share with us quickly as an update, and I want us to be well guided in our trade decision. In fact, I think this week there will be a trade opportunity from the look of things, because breakout is closed. A lot of things going on in the chart right now. So I just want us to pay seriously attention to what is going on in the chart. Don't go and enter a trade because of a YouTube video you saw somewhere. Please, you have to do your own analysis and see the facts clearly on the chart before you enter your trade. Thank you very much. Bye for now. See you in my next updates.